Here's a 5-step strategy that makes you money just clipping your videos with AI. The best part? It's safe, scalable, and actually sustainable. Step 1. Create a long-form video. You'll start with creating a long-form video that actually makes you money. What matters is that it either sells something or it attracts clients. That could be your own digital product, a paid service you offer like coaching or freelance skills, or even an affiliate product that gives you a commission every time someone buys through your link. Step 2. Solving the view problem. YouTube doesn't automatically promote your video, especially if your channel is small. So what's the alternative? You must feed that long video with external traffic, which brings us to step 3. Create short-form content. Short-form videos are exploding right now. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, they're all dominating attention online. But you not only create them, you will send traffic to your long video. These shorts can act like mini commercials. But instead of paying to run ads, you're using your own content to drive interest back to your main video. But there is a challenge. You need to make short videos consistently. Because if you've already done this manually, you know it takes time. That's where AI comes in to save the day and brings us to step 4. Start using AI. It will save you a significant amount of time if you give it a try. There is an AI-powered video clipping tool called Opus Clip that can turn your long-form videos into ready-to-post shorts in a matter of minutes. You only need to copy the URL of your long-form video. It automatically cuts those high-value moments into short, vertical videos, adds dynamic captions, applies visual effects and transitions, and even ranks them with a potential virality score so you can post the best-performing ones first. You don't need to watch your whole video to find new content or spend time on editing those clips. You can preview any clip, edit the captions or styling, and export directly in formats optimized for Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. If you want to try it out, I've added a link below. You can test it completely free. Step 5. Use Shorts to drive sales. Now that you've got a batch of short videos, here's how you actually turn them into income. Post 3 to 5 shorts per week. Link them all back to your main monetized video. Collect leads, sales, and commissions passively. You don't need to make new content from scratch. You're simply repackaging your long video into bite-sized formats and letting AI do 90% of the work. Over time, this becomes a scalable strategy. That's how smart creators are using short-form content in 2025. And if you want to learn more details, then check out this video next.